So a quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So before I start my video, I just want to inform you guys that I'll be traveling back to the UK tomorrow and I won't have an internet, and if I don't reply your message, then you know there is no internet service. And anyway, I don't upload videos on Fridays and I'll be back to the UK on Friday evening. So if there is any messages you send me, I'll reply back on Saturday. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the entries, conditions and the way we entered this trade. And we already had first bottom right here. Now the price is now in the process of a pullback and I'm expecting a hit of this rejection area with another bottom. Similar as yesterday, you should already have your rejection zones there. Once the price hit this zone, wait for a similar pattern, something like this, a bullish engulfer, or you get a pin bars or 382 candle after rejecting from this zone, then you are good to go long. No need to hesitate. Just make sure you have your stop loss below this rejection zone and take profit wherever you want to take it. Nice one. So exact move happened. We've been waiting with patience, and that is what I always say, wait with patience. Once we have a condition only, then we enter the trade. We did not enter here, we did not enter buy trade here or here, but once we had a bullish signal, we did enter this trade. And now I have no idea what market's going to do, but this is a valid condition. And at this point, if you have entered this trade, keep your stop loss below this rejection area and take profit wherever you want to take it. So I'm expecting a push up from here. Once the market push up from here, breaks and close below 50 and 20 EMA, I'll keep you guys updated with the move. So that is how we enter the trades with the condition. The worst case scenario will be hitting of your stop loss. Then there is no need to be scared, as you are entered once you follow all your rules. And here we had followed all the rules. Now, if my stop loss will hit, that's totally fine. I will still keep on taking the trades like this because I've tested this strategy more than 100 times and I know the strategy has proven to be profitable in a large sample size. So that is what I'm looking at. We have an entry condition and I'm expecting a price to push up from here. And we do have an inventory report, nat gas inventory report coming up right here shortly. So I'm expecting some volatility out of nat gas. I'm expecting a price to give us some good moves after this report is released. So that is it. Keep an eye here. If you enter the trade, make sure you have your stop loss and take profit set. Let's check gold. We do have this engulfer. Looking at the oversold situation, I'm expecting $3 to $5 push up from here and price can still fall. I will personally wait for the price to hit this zone to enter my long trade. Gold is pushing up and it did not hit my take profit, but it did push up as expected from yesterday's. This is one of the entry pattern my course members are learning as well. I know it still didn't hit the zone, but that is fine. With this pattern, we already have a take profit hit as mentioned in my yesterday's video. So I won't be entering gold at this point. I'll be only looking to enter gold once the price hit this zone. Yes, it can still push up from here dramatically, but I follow my rules very strictly. I will only enter if you have a fall, and then from here I will look for another long trades. So this is a zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. Now at this point, all you need to do, mark your rejection areas like this, and I would wait for the price to come back, hit this rejection area with a bullish engulfers or pin bars. Once you have that, we are good to go long. Prices now in the major area of value, major support area right here. We had a double bottom pattern, a valid pattern happened in the area of value. As you can see with this engulfing pattern, I'm expecting silver to push up from here. I've mentioned this condition in my yesterday's video. If you would have entered here, use 1 ATR for your target. As you can see, ATR is 16. So I'll keep my stop loss below this rejection area right here, and the take profit will be right here. And if you want to manage your trade, once you take profit hit, you can manage further up wherever you want to take it. So that is what I'm looking at. We have an entry condition here on silver, expecting a push up from silver here. So crude oil is trading below 50 EMA at this point. I'm not taking any buy trades. I'll be only looking to enter my sell trade. This is not a valid engulfer. So the price is likely to push up, hit 50 and 20 EMA, and then form one of the entry pattern, which is bearish engulfer. So once I see the condition, I will only go short, not taking longs until the price is trading above 50 EMA. So that is what I'm looking at for crude oil, only looking for sell opportunities. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green and have an awesome weekend. Take care.